Hello, it's Jeremy Mortoff with Northeastern Group Realty. I'm standing downtown Fort Wayne, West Central. It's Saturday, March 21st, the first day after spring. And I'm standing in front of a historic house that I was lucky enough to help some of my good friends and clients purchase. It's a rehab project, so we decided that we would do some videos along the way to show the progress of the home. As you can see, the outside has pretty much already been completed. The inside is just a shell with some electrical and a little bit of plumbing and HVAC, but other than that, we've got a lot of work to do. So first I'll walk you around the outside and then we'll go inside and see what's up. So outside, one of the cool things that you'll notice is these daylight lower level windows in the basement. The foundation was in really bad shape, so there were a lot of repairs that had to be made, and they were fortunate with the grade and the level of the sidewalk that we could put in these taller daylight egress windows. So that'll make for a lot more functional space in the basement. Currently, this is all empty right here in between these two houses. There will be two garages, one for that house, and then on our project there's going to be a two-story garage that'll be situated back here, and then the space in between will be deck or patio courtyard area. And then we're going to do an addition on the back of the house to get some more interior square footage. Where this window is on the first floor will be a doorway, and we're going to add on a dining room. And then on the second story, that will be the master bathroom and closet with laundry. So we'll show you that when we go inside. As you can see, like I said, the outside's been pretty much redone. Storm windows, everything painted, new roof. So we're just waiting for the addition. So here we are inside. Coming in the front door, you've got this nice open staircase in front of you. Our living room expands the entire front of the house. We're going to take this window out, put in a transom window, and that way we can have a wall mount TV. This whole wall here will be kitchen cabinetry. Where the window is on the rear there, that's where the entryway to the new dining room is going to be. And then in the center, a nice large oversized island, 8 foot by 3.5 foot, I believe. And you can see all the nice original woodwork that'll be refinished. Some of the hardwoods were damaged, so they were able to patch those. And then in the areas that you see over there, those will be redone as well. This back section, they had it laid out to have a full bathroom down here and the washer and dryer so that it would be a 3-bed, 2-bath. But with the addition that we're doing on the back, we decided to turn this bath into a half bath. And then since we're moving the washer and dryer to the second story in the master closet, we'll turn that area into cubbies for coats and shoes, and then have a nice walk-in pantry. So as we go upstairs, you can see that we have the nice hardwoods that continue. Lots of daylight. A nice landing at the top. Here's the start of our second full bath. This will be the guest bath. The tub shower combo. We're gonna add a linen closet in here. Then we have 2 bedrooms on the front of the house. This one will stay as it is. But this one over here, we're gonna remove this linen closet that's in the hallway, and then move this closet 3 foot in so that we can make the future master bedroom that's gonna be on the back side of the house. We'll make it substantially larger. And this closet over here will come out. The exposed brick, we'll leave that in the bathroom. It'll also be exposed down in the kitchen. And then where this window is here, sort of in that proximity, will be the entryway into the new master bathroom that'll be on top of the dining room, and then attached to that the master walk-in with laundry. So as you can see, lots of work to do. But stay tuned, and in the weeks to come we'll do updated videos so you can see the progress. I'm Jeremy Mortoff with Northeastern Group Realty. Have a great day.